Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We will solve question number 3 of exercise 1.3 today. This equation is not itself as a quadratic equation, but this equation is reducible to quadratic form. Now let's see how we are going to reduce it. First we will rearrange this equation. We will take all the terms to one side of the equation. So we'll move it to the other side. When you move the terms to the other side of the equation, the signs will change. We'll make it as equation number 1. Now we'll do some substitution. ठीक है, हमने क्या करना है, सब्सिट्यूट करना है. लेट्स से y is equal to x raised to power 1/4. Again we'll take the square, so it will become y square that is equal to, this will cancel 1/2. सी, हमने एक ही सब्स्टिट्यूशन में से x की दोनों वैल्यूज़ निकाल ली. हमने जहाँ जहाँ पे इक्वेशन में x आ रहा होगा वहाँ वहाँ पे हमने सब्स्टिट्यूट करना होगा. ठीक है, पूरी इक्वेशन या x में होगी या पूरी इक्वेशन y में होगी. So we have made this substitution, and you have to be very careful about the substitution that you are going to make. Let's say if we take y is equal to x raised to power 1/2 and then we take the square. ठीक, तो यहाँ से तो वाई स्क्वायर बन जाएगा, यहाँ पे 2 और 2 कैंसिल, और यहाँ पे अगर आप देखें इक्वेशन में कोई भी x नहीं है, x की पावर्स हैं. सो वी विल नॉट टेक दिस सब्स्टिट्यूशन एज फर्स्ट. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट सब्स्टिट्यूशन. आप स्क्वायर करके देख सकते हैं. एंड इन द लास्ट ऑफ माई वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू टू टेक द लीस्ट पावर. सही, तो ये आपके पास देखिए 1/2 0.5 बनता है एंड 1/4 जो है वो 0.25 बनता है. तो 0.25 वाले को हमने पहले सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दिया. और इवन यू कैन टेक दी स्क्वायर्स, आप स्क्वायर्स लेके देख सकते हैं कि प्रॉपर सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या हो गई है. नाउ इक्वेशन 1 विल बिकम 5. Instead of x raised to power 1/2 we'll write y square minus 7. Instead of x raised to power 1/4 we'll write y plus 2 that is equal to 0. Now see, this equation is reduced to quadratic equation, so we can solve it either by algebraic identities or by midterm break factor or by quadratic formula. So let's see which method we can apply here. We can easily apply midterm break factor. How we can do that? We multiply first term by last term. Again we got 10. So we'll write all the factors of 10 possible factors, and out of those possible factors we'll select that factor जिसको हम add subtract करें तो ये इसकी middle term बन जाए. So you see 5 plus 2 is 7, and we have to take care of the signs as well. So minus 2y minus 5y plus 2 that is equal to 0. So we got 4 terms. Out of these 4 terms we'll make pair. So in the first 2 terms you got y as common, so we'll take out y as a common factor. We are left with 5y minus 2. And now here is no common factor, but still there is one that you can take common, and we have to take care of the signs as well. Since here यहाँ पे +5 है तो यहाँ पे भी +5y होना चाहिए. So that will why we will take the -1 common. Minus into minus become +5y, and minus into plus become -2 that is equal to 0. Now again you got 2 terms, and out of these 2 terms the whole bracket is again can be taken as common factor. 5y minus 2 that is equal to, sorry, 5y minus 2 into y minus 1 that is equal to 0. So either we can write 5y minus 2 that is equal to 0, or y minus 1 is equal to 0. So from here we got the value of y, which is 2/5, and here we got again the value of y. The whole equation was an x, but we got the values of y. So what we are supposed to do here, we'll resubstitute the values, right? How? y को हमने किसकी जगह लिखा था, x की पावर 1/4 की जगह, so हम उसको वो वैल्यू वापस दे देंगे. And for the second factor as well, instead of y we will write x raised to power 1/4 that is equal to 1. So here we just need the value of x and not x raised to power 1/4. So on both sides we'll take fourth power. Here also on both sides we'll take fourth power. So this 4 will get cancelled by 4, and we are left with just x. And by the law of exponents, we can give power, or we can distribute power to both numerator and denominator. So we got 2 raised to power 4 means you have to multiply 2 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that becomes 16. And we have to multiply 5 4 times, which becomes 625. So here again for the second factor, let's solve. 4 will get cancelled by 4. x, we are left with x, and 1 की जितनी भी पावर्स हो जाएँ तो 1 को आप उतनी दफ़ा मल्टीप्लाई करें, आंसर will remain 1. So you got 2 values of x, and at the end we have to write down the solution set as well. So we got 2 roots which we have to write in the solution set. One is 16/625 and the other is 1. So this is the solution of question number 3. Hope you understand each step of working. Still, if you are confused with any of the step of working, please ask. Thank you.